Okay guys, Aussie Frenchman here again, part 2, and we're going to go on with the wheels. Now I've already gone ahead and made them up and about to put all the suspension arms in. So I'm going to get them out of the road and get back to you. Okay, I'm putting the wheels on right now. It's just a matter of pushing them in. So I put the wrong one on the wrong way, and as soon as you guys come on, nothing fits. Alright. Got a spare one. Really? Done. And the last one. I'll push in the same. Yep. Okay. That part done. Excellent. Just nearly bent some parts. Wow. Alright. Nice and flat. Excellent. Okay guys, I'm starting on the tracks. Now there are 15 of these on each side. 8 on each one. So that's 120, I need 117. So 3 left over. I dare say for some parts on the other. Yeah, I know there's parts on the model somewhere. So I'm going to start cutting them out. And it's just basically 1, 2, and there it goes on the floor. Don't you love it? Alright, I'll see you on the other side, guys. Okay guys, I'm having fun with the tracks. These are actually pretty good. They actually click together. A bit of cleaning would help a bit. Alright. Alright, where are we? Alright, so I'm gonna carry on with these and see when I finish them. Okay guys, I've done one side. I've got it a split there and on that wheel there, so I can pull them apart. Now, Trumpeter in their great wisdom, I'm not sure if they've ever put these together, but I literally had to break these parts off again to be able to fit this in, and I'm struggling to think if it's going to go back together. I'm going to have to paint the wheels and everything and then put the tracks back on again like I did with the APC, but this one's way more complicated because the wheels, I can't pull the drive wheels off like Tamiya ones where they have nylon bushes, so these don't. These are glued in and you can't even it's a pain in the ass. But anyway, I'll get it stuck on the other side. Another 117 more to go. Okay, nearly done all the tracks for the other side. Just want to show you what I'm going through. Now I've got to leave 3. that side. Okay, this is what I found to be the best way of doing these. Take the little lid off. Clean. Tweezers. Clean. Deposit. Grab the next one. It just makes it easier to hold. You got something to hold on to. Trying to hold them all first like I did individually, and I had to use the tweezers all the time and it's killing me. My thumb is actually really quite sore right now, and I still got a couple to go. Alright, you guys get the idea. Alright, I'm at the stage now of putting the tracks together, and worked out a very nice quick technique. Bang. And you keep going. Thanks, Colin. Like, you wouldn't believe it, but my hands are sore, eh? And that just goes on. Whoa, where did that go? Oh, there. Whew. And I've got these counted out. And then you get this. So, okay. This is the problem I have. This wheel doesn't turn. So therefore I can't feed it through the idle arm. So what I've had to do is open this up and then bring it all the way through. That's it. Sorry about that. Alright, and now what I'll do is I'll put some of this stuff on the inside part of the track on the joins. Just wash it on. Not going to lose any detail whatsoever. Because I don't want to get near the sprockets or anything like that. Get that nice and wet with glue. Alright, and then I'm just going to hold that nice and tight. There we go, it's holding it anyway. I'm going to let that sit for a while and let that corner dry and set. Meanwhile, I'll keep making more tracks to join the other side. This side's not so bad. Yeah, this side here is not so bad because it actually glides over, but still not a lot of clearance. It's going to be interesting trying to get, where is it? Well, that's going to be interesting. Alright guys, I'll keep going. Okay guys, I'm going to call it an end to this video. I don't know how I'm going to go with editing again, so remember, stay safe, think about the Ukraine, and pray for the people. And I'll see you next time guys. Have a good one.